If you're new to cooking or if you've just never used a stainless steel skillet before, no worries. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your stainless steel skillet and then how to test it so you know it's ready to be used. We're going to take an egg and we're going to fry it up so you can see how to use your stainless steel skillet, and then I'm going to show you how to clean it and store it so your skillet will be good as new forever. First thing we're going to do is we've got our skillet on our cooktop, and now we are going to turn this on. And this is on it's actually just a low to medium heat. We're going to let this heat up for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to test our skillet, and we're going to take just a little bit of water. And what we're wanting is for when we put this water in here, we're wanting the water to bead up and just glide across the surface. So here we go, and let's see how we're doing. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? It's ready. We put that water in, and they're just beating up and they're gliding. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get this water out of here, and we're going to fry up an egg. Now we're ready to put in just a little bit of some oil. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to swirl this around. We want to coat it completely. And now we're going to let that heat for, just a few seconds. And it's just swirling around. And what it's doing, y'all, is that is making a non-stick surface. So now I'm going to crack an egg. And we're going to let our egg sit there. You want it to sit there for a couple of minutes, and do not touch your egg. This truly is the hardest part, not touching your egg. Now watch this egg right here. Now watch, there's a little piece of the egg over here, but watch this egg right here, y'all. It is just sliding around this skillet. It is so awesome. And now I'm just gonna scoop under it, and I'm gonna flip it. Now, and we're just gonna flip it, and look at this, y'all. Absolutely wonderful, and it did not stick to my pan. Yay! Now what I have done is I have just brought the skillet into my sink, and the skillet is completely cooled down. I'm just going to use some warm water, just a little bit of soap. We're just going to wipe it down. Got a soft sponge. Now if you have any stains left, let me turn this off so you can hear me. If there's any water stains, then what you can do is a couple of things. You can do just some vinegar, some little lemon juice, or some vinegar and water to help get off any of the water stains. You can also, when I was doing some research, you can also do a paste of some baking soda to get off any water stains. And now we're just going to rinse it off, and I was very happy with how this works. We're going to rinse that here. Now we just put some water on it. And y'all, look at that. Look at that. It's good as new. Now let me show you, the next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to store your skillets. The best tip I have for you really for storing your skillets is really simple. Just be sure and use some pot separators. If you've never used pot separators, I just started using these about 3 or 4 years ago. They come in all different colors. They come in all sizes. They got big ones. They've got little ones. And you just simply put these here, put them in between your skillets. And this is what I use for all my skillets, the stainless steel and my others. Here I got a couple of ceramic ones. And I just make sure that I always put these in between all of my skillets. And if you're wondering what are some of the very best pots and pans to start with if you're a new cook, check out that next video that's popping up, and I'll see you over there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.